The world is full of many wonders. There are various animals in nature that look adorable, but looks can be deceiving and they may be lead to bigger mishaps than you can ever imagine. One of the most important things to remember is that animals usually avoid humans and don't attack unless they feel threatened. When you approach or come upon an animal in their natural habitat, be cautious and slow. Cute but deadly animals are something of a rarity in nature. Normally, dangerous animals have bright colors or look vicious to let you know they're dangerous. Some, however, are deceptively adorable, so you'd never guess that they're ferocious and even will kill you. Let's find out about 7 animals that are marvelous to look at but menacing to deal with. Number 7. The box jellyfish. The box jellyfish is one of the deadliest creatures in the ocean, possessing venomous tentacles that can deliver a powerful and often fatal sting to its prey or potential threats. Its transparent gelatinous appearance hides its dangerous nature, making it a deceptive predator. The tentacles contain nematocysts, specialized cells that release toxins upon contact, causing pain, cardiac arrest, and even death in some cases. Despite its seemingly cute and delicate appearance, the box jellyfish serves as a reminder of the hidden dangers that can lurk beneath the serene surface of the sea. Its charming and ethereal appearance belies the peril it poses. With its almost otherworldly transparency and graceful pulsations, the box jellyfish appears to be a creature straight out of a fantasy world. Number 6. Swan. They are beautiful, elegant, and romantic. If you spot one swimming in a lake, chances are good you're gonna want to feed it, maybe even touch it. Don't like most wild animals, they perceive humans as a threat. If you feed them, they'll come closer, and when they get closer, they tend to bite. Especially if you're holding food they think should be theirs. Just stay back. Number 5. Pufferfish. The pufferfish, known for its adorable appearance, holds a surprising and deadly secret within its small, round body. Despite its charming exterior, the pufferfish is one of the deadliest creatures in the ocean. It possesses a potent toxin called tetrodotoxin, which is hundreds of times more lethal than cyanide. When threatened, the pufferfish puffs up to appear larger and more intimidating, while at the same time releasing this lethal toxin. Ingesting even a small amount of tetrodotoxin can lead to paralysis, respiratory failure, and death. This paradoxical combination of cuteness and lethality makes the pufferfish a truly remarkable and dangerous marine animal. Number 4. Blue ring octopus. The beautiful octopus breed, defined by the blue and black rings on the yellowish skin, are found in the Pacific and Indian Oceans, from Australia to Japan. Despite the small size and docile nature, the octopus can pose quite a threat to humans and is recognized as one of the most venomous marine animals. The toxin produced by bacteria in salivary glands can cause nausea, cardiac arrest, respiratory arrest, paralysis, blindness, or death. When threatened, the pale yellow skin turns bright, and the brown spots darken dramatically, with iridescent circles starting to pulsate in the maculae. They may bite the attacker, including humans, in agitation. Number 3. Blue dart frog. The blue dart frog, scientifically known as Dendrobates azures, is a tiny but deadly creature found in the rainforest of South America. Despite its adorable appearance with vibrant blue skin and contrasting black spots, this frog is one of the most poisonous animals on Earth. Bright coloration serves as a warning to predators that it carries potent toxins. The skin of a single blue dart frog contains enough poison to potentially kill several humans. Indigenous people have been known to use the frog's toxic secretions to poison the tips of their blow darts for hunting, giving rise to its name. While captivating in its cuteness, the blue dart frog's beauty is a deceptive mask for its lethal nature. Number 2. Polar bear. White, fluffy, and totally deadly. Most bears are predators, and the polar bear is no exception. These creatures will actually stalk you for miles before finally attacking and eating you. Even worse, you might not be dead yet. When they start to devour you, keep you distance. Number 1. Slow loris. These little guys are about the size of a teddy bear and look like a miniature Ewok. You can't get much cuter than that. But if you see one, stay far away. Even though they look like they'd love to be picked up and held, chances are good it's the exact opposite. They'll bite if they feel threatened, and their bites are laced with a deadly, fast-acting poison.
Did you enjoy this video? Check out other clips of Amazing 7 and be sure to subscribe and ring the bell to be notified our latest videos.